Anna Uma gave birth just days ago to her second baby, but she was born 4 weeks premature. Auma has been sick, so she cannot breastfeed as recommended by the World Health Organization. She would have been forced to use less healthy formula milk, but in March, Nairobi's Pumwani Maternity Hospital opened the region's first human milk bank.
The milk bank has helped me because when I got a baby, I fell ill, and so they gave me the milk from the bank.
Kenya's Ministry of Health and PATH, a US-based non-profit health organization, launched the milk bank in March this year. The hope is to reduce the number of newborn deaths in Nairobi, now 38 in every 1,000, higher than the national average in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. While only 58 babies in need have benefited from the milk bank so far, hospital staff say more mothers are living with healthy newborns.
The project is still very young. We have already noted that the neonatal mortality rate is going down drastically.
The breast milk bank is the first in East Africa and only the second opened on the continent after South Africa. The World Health Organization says premature babies have a higher chance of survival if fed breast milk instead of formula. Senior research scientist at Nairobi's African Population Health Research Center, Dr. Elizabeth Kimani Morage, led the push for the Nairobi Milk Bank.
It has been implemented. Human milk banking has been implemented, has shown that neonates who are fed on, like I told you about those vulnerable neonates, like preterm babies and low birth weight children who are admitted in newborn units, or sick children. When they are given donor human milk instead of formula, when you compare the two, you find that those fed on human milk, on donor human milk, survive better.
Donors are sourced among mothers within the hospital, like Mary Linda, who are happy to help save lives.
My breasts were engorged and painful because when I delivered my baby, she was unwell. She could not breastfeed, so I opted to donate to women who do not have milk or to babies who do not have mothers.
If Nairobi's human milk bank works well, Kenyan authorities plan to set up other milk banks across the country. Sarah Kimani for VOA News, Nairobi.